Our 2024 Maintenance Early Scholar signing day, we were here to support the Maintenance Early Scholars that are going to high school courses and a mechatronics type degree, and also working in the plant, learning those advanced manufacturing skills.
Better career opportunities and a better future. I've always been kind of like into like robots and stuff, which is like kind of got me interested in the program in the first place, and then I just kind of a last minute decision to join it, and I'm really glad I did.
This is a direct tie-in to our Michelin Technical Scholars College sponsorship program, with the expectation after graduating that, working on the shop floor in advanced manufacturing. They're getting on-the-job training, working on multi-million-dollar machines, and making good money while they're at it.
It truly is the epitome of the Graduation Plus initiative. It gives them a competitive advantage to anything that they might want to do, whether that's stay there at Michelin, which we hope is a great opportunity for them, or move out into the world of advanced manufacturing.
I have a job lined up for me, and also I can take my stuff from the class and put it to real life.
Let's all go ahead and throw on our hats for pictures, okay? Something like this is extremely unique. A lot of students don't have the opportunities to be a part of this apprenticeship program, so that's why we love Greenville County Schools and any of our other partners that support this type of apprenticeship.